he on the tail? Bump, ba bump, ba bump, bump, bump. The dogs are like, oh, they really like this. Stop. Whoa, let the diner people off, huh? Oh, I could sit on this thing. This is very comfortable. I'm a sitter. That's what's really bad. That's one thing that would be hard for me to get a job standing up. If I find a job, another job standing up. Where are you going, Jake? You're going to get a video. Get a video. Go, up and go. Muffin says what? You ought to look at Kelly. You ought to say hi. You're still making a video. What are you doing, Waverly? Hold on, Waverly. Waverly, turn